Now we do about slicing. So to understand slicing, first we'll take an example. Print s of the variable s. I'm taking some 2:8. So what it is giving output based on that we analyze, control, enter. So what it is giving? It is giving some words LLOWOR. So now we analyze what it is output. Like, so it starts from this LL, okay, OR, WOR. So this one given. So that means it is starting from the index 2. It is starting from 2 and ending at 7. Remember, when you write 8, it is stopping at 7. Okay. Now, one more. Suppose, for example, if you do this is a some 7. Now this will see. Now we will see what is happening. Select this. Sorry. Select this line. Control enter. So what you got? This you got as a LL. So starting from here and WO. So it is ending at 6. Index at 6. That means when you put 7, so it stop at 6th indexing. So this is about how the slicing make. That means it is giving subset of hello world. So uh, index positioning 2 to, if you mention 7 means back one letter. That means 6 up to 6. So uh, one more. For example, you are taking some here, as in here you are taking some 5, okay, 5 to 7. That means what you have to get, it starts from 5. It starts from 5 means this is, okay, end at 7. What is the here? 7. 7 means you have to end at 6 only. So starting index 5 and you mentioned 7 means it want to be stop at 6. That means what you have to get output? You have to get output WO. Okay. So now we'll check it whether getting that output or not. Select this line. Now control, wait a minute. Select this line. Control enter. So you got W. So here what you understood means when you mention 5 to 7, 5 colon 7, it starts from 5. What it meaning is it starts at 5, end at 7 means it ended at 6 only. Okay, remember this. So 1 will be less. 7 means 6. If here 8 means it will be 7. So 5, 7, it starts at 5, fifth indexing, fifth position. Fifth position to 7 means it ended sixth position. So 5, 6. 5, 6 means what is the WO that you got required output. Okay. Next, we'll see the this slicing in the negative with the negative integers. Wait a minute. So now, next, slicing in another manner. Listen here. When you do 5 to 7, listen this point carefully. 5 to 7 means index 5. So that means it is counting from left side onwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 means it is ending at 6. So you got this output. When you take negative values, it starts from right onwards. Okay. If you take positive, for 5 is a positive, no? So it starts from here. If you take negative values, it will comes from right side onwards. That we'll discuss now. So now, wait a minute. This position 6. print print variable s of some we will write minus 5 colon minus 1. Okay, so now select this line, control enter. So what is your output? WORL. Okay, you got output as a WORL. So what it is giving, we'll check it. Okay, so we'll first write hello WORLD, hello world. So now this is 0. Wait a minute, we'll change the color. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay, so now what it is giving, minus 1 to 5, minus 1 to, say minus 1, what is the value? L. Okay, you come from right side onwards. Okay, L, L, R, O, W, ending it with minus 4. So when you less, it's starting with minus 1, starting with minus 1, this minus 1. Okay, when you mention your minus 5, it will end at minus 4. So what is this output? WORL. So it is counting from right side onwards. So you got WORL. Okay, that is only output. Yes of, so what I am doing is minus 5 colon minus 1. Okay, so now I will try to execute what its value. Control enter. So you got WORL. So what it mean, what it is giving, we will analyze. So the variable contains hello world, HELLOWORLD will give position values. So when you take negative, negative starts from right side onwards. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So now it starts from minus 1. Minus 1 means L. Okay, it starts from L. You have to check like this, minus 1, minus 5. So minus 1, what you got? WORL. That means up to here you got. Starts from minus 1. Start at minus 1. So minus 5 is there now. Minus 5 means you take up to minus 4 and at minus 4. Okay, so minus 1 to 4, what will get the output? WORL. That is only our output. Okay, this is about how the slicing using negative numbers. Okay, minus 5, minus 1, you have to start minus 1. That means from this position minus 1 to minus 5 is there. So minus 5 means you stop at minus 4. Okay, the same way we'll do one more. Wait a minute. For example, we'll change these values. This you assume as a sum minus 6. This assume as a minus 2. Okay, now what we need output according to our analyzation. So minus 2, it want to be start with minus 2, start with minus 2 position. Okay, end minus 6 is there, where it want to be end at minus 5. Okay, start with minus 2, end at minus 5. So what is the output we have to get? OWORL. This output we have to get. Okay, when you execute, check it. Select this line. Wait a minute. Select this line. Control Enter. So you got same output. Check it. OWOR. So that is nothing but when in a negative, when you are using negative numbers for slicing, so you have to start with right hand side. So here minus 6 colon minus 2. That means you have to start with minus 2. Okay. Minus 6 is there. You have to end at minus 5. Minus 2 to minus 5. What is that? OWOR. That is only you got output. Okay. This is about the slicing using negative numbers. Next, we'll erase this. We'll move further. This is about the indexing and slicing. Next, we'll see the some more things. Wait a minute. So now, uh, what you are going to see means next. For example, you store the value uh, in the s variable. I'm storing here some hello world. Hello world. So this whatever hello world we are written, I need all total in the capital letters. Okay, whatever the variable, the variable what is stored hello world, it have the small capital letter and small letter, but I want total in the capital letter. So what you have to do means print yes, where you are stored the values in the s variable s upper. This is a function to convert all the stored s values in upper cases. Take this line, select this line, control enter. You got all the letters are in capital letters. The your stored variable h is a capital letter, AELL was small letters, W is a capital letter, ORL is small letter. So when you apply this upper function, the total all the s whatever you are stored in s, that is converted into capital letters. Suppose if you want print, you need all them in the small letters. Yes, lower. This is the lower function. Now select control enter. So now all converted in lower letter. That means here what is it? Check it. When here H will be the capital letter, W is a capital letter. So when you apply lower function, what you got? All letters in the small. Okay. When you apply the upper function, what you got? All letters in upper cases. Okay. So this is about the how to convert the lower all the letters in upper and all letters in lower by using upper function, lower function. So if you want, we'll see one more. For example, what I do means we erase this. Uh, for example, you take only HELLO. Wait a minute. I'm taking S as a variable only HELLO. Or we take some new. You take as a Python. PYTHON Python. Okay. Now this Python letters I want to be get in the capital. So print. Okay. Print Yes, print function. Yes, a dot. Okay, upper function. Okay, parenthesis. Select this line. Select this line. Control enter. You got Python is in small letter. Now you got it in capital letters. For example, one more. Take as a some t variable. T is equal to. I'm writing in capital letters. Data science. Okay, this is in capital. I need all this in the small. Print. Sorry, print uh, t dot lower lower. Okay, so now select this line. Control enter. So you got t variable store the data signs all in upper cases. Now it is converted in lower cases. Okay, like this using upper lower functions we can convert in the required manner. If the lower letters will be there, you can convert them upper. Upper letters will be there, you can convert them into lower.